This is the Sapphire Highball, a 2-minute masterclass in building something genuinely stunning. Let's begin. Take a tall highball glass and fill it completely with ice. A properly chilled glass is non-negotiable. Everything you build on top of this depends on it. Fresh lemon juice first. Bright, sharp, and deliberate. That acidity doesn't fight the gin, it opens it. The botanicals and a quality London dry need that citrus contrast to fully express themselves. This is your foundation. Everything rests on it. Premium tonic water, introduced slowly down the glass. The carbonation rises immediately, building the effervescent framework your highball needs before the color arrives. And now, the transformation. Blue Curaçao poured with intention. Watch that electric sapphire descend through the carbonation in real time. The orange liqueur settles beneath the fizz, adding warmth, depth, and turning this glass into something genuinely beautiful. A fresh lemon twist to finish. Clean, elegant, considered. The Sapphire Highball. Every layer earned through technique, not accident. Now, before your first sip, do you drink through those layers and taste each one separately, or do you stir it all together? Tell me in the comments.